let's be honest, you didn't become a game developer to deal with boring stuff like saving and loading games. Managing file streams, encrypting data, handling corrupted files? I know. And nobody wants their players to lose hours of progress either, right? That's where OmniSave comes in. Just import the package, customize your save and load system using a short step-by-step survey, or do it manually if you're a pro, and that's pretty much it. You are ready to save and load your worlds with zero code. In my game, I've got this little robot, and so it can move, run, and do all sorts of stuff. We've got two buttons, one to save and one to load. First, let's save the player's position. We add the savable component, then select transform and choose position and rotation since it's what we want to save. Since my controller uses rigid bodies, OmniSave also reminds us to check position and rotation on the rigid body. Now we can hit play, and just like that, saving and loading works seamlessly. And the best thing is that it took us a few clicks and around 20 seconds to do. OmniSave handles saving and loading asynchronously for a smooth, interruption-free player experience. But OmniSave isn't just for single saves. It supports multiple save slots, multi-scene setups, and lets you choose between scene-specific or global data. Scene-specific data is things like the position of your player or the position of a crate in the world, so it's pretty much anything tied to a particular scene. Global data, on the other hand, is information that persists across the entire save, like coins, inventory, or XP. You can of course choose which data is scene-specific and which one is global. Do you need to update your save system for a new version? OmniSave comes with migration tools, so your player's progress is always safe. And the best part, it's super easy to use, so you never have to worry about the technical side of saving and loading your games. You can repeat this with anything in your project. And if you're a pro, of course, OmniSave has a flexible API for full control. So wrapping up, OmniSave is a modern, reliable solution so you can forget about writing your own save system and be confident that your players will never lose progress. This is still work in progress, but it's almost ready for release on the Unity Asset Store, and when it drops, it will be 70% off, and believe me, that's the lowest price it will ever be, so make sure not to miss it. That's been everything for this update. Make sure to leave a like, comment a name for this cute robot because I still don't know how to call him, and of course subscribe to stay updated on OmniSave. See you next time!